Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your commands in the full keyboard access on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit, tap on accessibility, then you want to swipe down, tap on keyboards, and then go to the full keyboard access. Now you need to turn on the feature to make it work. You can customize your commands without having it on, but obviously if you're customizing commands you want to turn on the full keyboard access. What it does is it allows you to use your external keyboard, for example connected via Bluetooth, to control your iPhone, move through it, and just control like you are controlling it with a finger. So then if you want to customize commands, tap on commands, and here you have the list of the all commands, and most of them have the pre-assigned shortcuts, the keys that you need to activate the specific command. So for example, if you want to move left, you're just going to type the left arrow, or for example restart, so you have this combination of keys on your keyboard. Also, as you can see, you have some gestures, so for example swipe left, swipe right, or zoom in, zoom out, and here just by tapping on a specific command, and now you can enter a key combination on your keyboard. And to end a combination, you just need to type 2 spaces quickly to stop recording. And then it will show you here the combination of the keys that you have just clicked. And after all, you're just going to click done. I do not have it right now, so I'm not going to be able to show you that. But trust me, if you want to change something, for example, let's say you want to change, let's say help, okay? Now you're going to enter the combination that you want to toggle help with, and after all just click type 2 spaces, the combination is going to be shown right here, and after all you just click done. Also, if you want to clear some combination, you just want to click clear, and now as you can see the combination is cleared, and now you can do it again by yourself. Also, you have the gestures and the shortcuts that you have created earlier. The main shortcuts that you can create on your iPhone. So, for example, you can do Pomodoro, because this is something that I have made earlier, and also I can assign the specific shortcut of keys to toggle this shortcut. So again, how to get to the setting. So what you want to do is to just go to the main settings, swipe down, go to accessibility, then swipe down, go to the keyboards, go to full keyboard access, and then go to the commands. So here, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!